Has this ever happened to you? Or this? Look, we get it. Working at downtown Fresno can be so hectic. Worried about parking, traffic, getting to meetings on time. The last thing you have time for in your busy day is errands. Luckily, if your phone needs to be repaired, Screenworks makes one less thing for you to worry about. With the all-new on-demand service at Screenworks inside Bitwise South Stadium, you can now sit at your desk, set an appointment on our easy-to-use website, and in no time, a Screenworks tech will arrive to your place of business and repair your device so you don't have to come to us. And in some occasions, if we can't repair your device at your workplace, we can pick up your device and have it repaired and dropped off before your day is over. On demand, where we come to you. Call us today or visit us online at GoScreenworks.com. Business to business inquiries only.